Nubia Z60 Ultra just launched before few days ago. Full screen AMOLED display, flagship camera setup, flagship processor, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and review of the Nubia Z60 Ultra regular variant. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the black version of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. After cutting and removing the plastic wrap, the box shows the black and red colors. Opening the lid, the first thing we see is the phone itself. Let's set the phone aside for the moment and check out the rest of the box contents. Inside the box, there is a red color Type-C to Type-C data cable. The box also includes the 80-watt power adapter with a Type-C output. This year, Nubia launched another phone in their Ultra series. This time, they have used the 5th generation under the display camera technology. You won't easily notice the under the display camera from any angle when you look at the phone. Not only does the phone have an incredible screen, but the camera is also top-notch this time. All three lenses come with the optical image stabilization, making your photos and videos super steady. Additionally, the phone incorporates a night scene algorithm for improved low light photography. This time, the ultra-wide angle camera has been prompted to the main camera, receiving through the optimization. The camera system, called Neo Vision, captures the stunning photography as showcased in the Galaxy image taken with the ultra-wide angle camera. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch full-screen display featuring the use of UDC Ultra Independent Display chip. The screen offers a more natural color transition thanks to the use of the 5th generation under the display camera technology. With a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, the AMOLED display ensures the vibrant visuals. The front camera captures the picture with the reduced noise, providing a clearer view. The display utilized the BOE's Q9 Plus luminescent material, significantly improved the color stability for an enhanced viewing experience. The phone also comes with an ergonomic custom slider. It allows for a quick access to the camera and has customization for the flashlight, silent mode and play space. 5 features you can start with just one click. Turning to the back of the phone, you will notice 3 large camera modules that makes the camera setup really outstanding. The main camera is highlighted with the classic red circle, plus the back of the phone is made of sand glass, giving it a unique and sleek look. The back surface has millions of tiny crystal structure attached, giving the phone a metal-like appearance. Talking about the cameras, the Nubia Z60 Ultra boasts a 3 high-definition optical cameras, 18mm, 35mm and 85mm, each with the optical image stabilization. This means your photos will turn out really clear and steady. Firstly, you can capture the great night view using the ultra-wide angle lens. They even shot a starry sky photo using the ultra-wide angle lens for amazing result. Here you can see the photos of the sky and the landscapes, both with noise reduction for the clearer image. With the 35mm custom photo using the golden focal length, even long distance photos turn out clear and detailed. You can check out the rest of the photos too. All 3 camera lenses can shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second. Additionally, you can use the pre-record button to capture a 10 or 20-second advanced video. As for the performance, the Nubia Z60 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The Nubia Z60 Ultra boasts a LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, top-of-the-line hardware that delivers the exceptional performance. It scores about 2 million on Antutu benchmark and also excels its Geekbench 6 for both single-core and multi-core scores. Gaming-wise, it runs games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact smoothly. Specifically, playing the PUBG Mobile at medium setting and 60 FPS gives an average frame rate of 60 FPS with power consumption at around 3.4 watt. During gameplay, the back temperature reaches around 35 degrees while the front reaches about 37 degrees. When playing the heavy game like Genshin Impact at 60 FPS, it hits an average frame rate of about 60.3 FPS, consuming around 4.9 watt of power. The front temperature rises to about 40.8 degrees, while the back reaches around 40.3 degrees. The phone has a robust heat dissipation system, so even during the gameplay, holding it horizontally doesn't make it feel too warm. This is Nubia's first phone to come with an IP68 water and dust resistant rating, making it quite resilient against water and dust. Even after submerging the phone in the water, the touch and the camera keep working smoothly. Let's talk about the battery in the Nubia Z60 Ultra. Phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery supporting 80 watt fast charging. With this charger, it reaches 35% in just 10 minutes, 89% in just 30 minutes, and fully charged in around 36 minutes to charge. With medium to heavy use, the battery easily lasts for around 13 hours. Talking about the price, the base variant of the Nubia Z60 Ultra cost around $599 in the USA. In UK, around £472. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display, outstanding camera and a huge battery. The only downside might be its heavier weight. So, what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know